Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a real superstar for anyone who doesn't have a lot of bright sunlight at home. This is Aglaonema Silver Queen, also known as Chinese Evergreen. Just look at her, those long, elegant green leaves with crisp white variegation along the edges. She brings such a fresh, clean, and luxurious look to any room. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced plant parent, Aglaonema is one of the most forgiving and beautiful houseplants you can own. Let's go through everything you need to know to keep her happy and looking gorgeous. First, light. This is where Aglaonema really shines. She is one of the best low-light plants. You can keep her in medium to low light conditions, perfect for north-facing windows, offices, or corners away from direct sun. Too much direct sunlight can burn the beautiful white edges of the leaves. If the leaves start losing their variegation and become too dark green, she might need a bit more light. Watering is simple but important. Water her when the top 2 to 3 centimeters of soil feel dry. She doesn't like to sit in wet soil, that leads to root rot. In summer, water her every 7 to 10 days, in winter, every 12 to 14 days. Always use room temperature water and make sure the pot has good drainage. Soil should be light and well draining. A good mix is regular houseplant soil with added perlite and a bit of orchid bark. Don't use heavy garden soil. Humidity and temperature. Aglaonema loves average room humidity, 40 to 60%, but she'll be happier with higher humidity. You can mist her occasionally or put her near a humidifier. Ideal temperature is between 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Keep her away from cold drafts and heaters. Fertilizer. During spring and summer, feed her every 3 to 4 weeks with a balanced liquid fertilizer at half strength. In autumn and winter, you can stop feeding or do it once a month. She grows quite slowly, which is actually a big advantage. She stays neat and compact for a long time. Propagation is easy. The simplest way is by dividing the plant during repotting. You can also root stem cuttings in water or moist soil. Now, an important topic, toxicity. Like many aroids, Aglaonema is toxic to cats, dogs, and small children if ingested. It contains calcium oxalate crystals that can cause mouth irritation, drooling, and stomach upset. So keep her out of reach of curious pets and kids. Common problems. Yellow leaves, usually overwatering. Brown tips, low humidity or tap water chemicals. Leggy growth, not enough light. Pests, mealybugs or spider mites, treat early with neem oil. Why you should grow Aglaonema Silver Queen. One of the easiest variegated plants. Excellent air purifier. Beautiful decorative look. Very beginner friendly. Perfect for dark apartments and offices. My own Aglaonema has been growing happily for over a year with minimal care, and she keeps putting out new leaves regularly. She really is a low-maintenance beauty. So, do you have an Aglaonema at home? Which variety? Tell me in the comments. If you're thinking about getting one, go for it, you won't regret it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss new plant guides. See you in the next one. Stay green.